Hello guys, and today we are going to see about how to screen record for a desktop of a laptop or a PC, whatever you call. You can use this software with a free without any cost. So I'm going to tell about how to install this using this Google Chrome option. So let's move on to it. So as I say before, we are going to see about how to install this purpose of a screen recorder. First of all, I'm opening this Google Chrome option and I'm giving a OCAM Screen Recorder. So after that you can find this page, and first of all I am giving this first option, OCAM download option. After that it will show some result of home page. While scrolling down you can see many ads, so don't mind here. It will show some of the many ads here. So you can see here home page or OCAM page, download a virtual date. So we wanted to download, right? So we can scroll down here and you can find this software downloader. So after clicking download you can see this OCAM download option, and I am giving this download option right here. And after that download, it shows downloading. So don't mind, I am pausing here because I am already downloaded this software. So that purpose I had paused this this software here. So after that the installing purpose, after installing you can see this is the home page for the OCAM screen recorder. And so sorry for this, and don't mind here because I'm already being recording this video purpose. So it will show this type. You can, after downloading installing purpose, you can see this start option here and capture option here, and you can see the file option here, where in this file option you can see the downloaded the screen recorded files here. So you can not only you can screen record here, you can also game recording option also there, and also you can record an audio too. So as of now I'm using the screen recording option. So I'm recording this video for the purpose of you all. So kindly I'm concluding this video by giving a useful message or useful software for you all. You can use this through free, and you can follow this by using this Google Chrome, and you can download through the by clicking on OCAM software option. So I am concluding right here, and so I think you like this video, and you can subscribe, and you can show your support for this our channel, and we will see with the next topic in the next video, and take care, bye.